Hello everyone, today we are at Amber 45 condo. My name is Nicole. We are going to show you our design proposal for a 4-bedder unit. The client is a couple. They want a room for their baby and one for their parents to stay. Furthermore, they want some marble elements with a touch of luxury. I added a shoe cabinet beside the private lift lobby. Then coming to the living room, we have a sleek false ceiling design and the marble TV feature wall. Along the hallway, I plan to have touches of LED strips to light it up. I have a brick wall with a bar table at the balcony so the family can enjoy the view. I also added an area for home office to allow the owner to work in private and stay focused. For the parents' room, I go with simple colors with a touch of modernity, and I suggested a soft and playful design for their baby's room. Lastly, in the master bedroom, I plan a space for the owner to keep her collection of display and go with full height marble bedhead feature wall for them. Contact us for free design consultation.